This is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So, to begin with, connect your device to Wi-Fi, then open up the Play Store, sign in if necessary. After that, at the search bar, type in Opera like so, like exactly. Once any app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the app to get, downloaded and installed respectively, which, as you will see now, should not take a lot of time. In my case, I think it remains pending due to the fact that some of the apps are getting updated automatically, so let me shut those updates down if there are any. Apparently they were not, so everything is cool. The app has just been downloaded and now it's getting installed. Now after that we can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap on the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera or to set it as your default browser app right away. Finally, at this page, you can either customize the permissions and accesses that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.